Tired of missing crucial project updates and drowning in endless email chains? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Trello with Discord, bringing your project management notifications directly into your team's communication hub. First, head over to Trello and open the board you want to connect to Discord. Next, click on the PowerUps button located in the top right corner of your Trello board. This will open the PowerUps directory. In the search bar, type Discord, locate the Discord PowerUp and click on it. Now, click the Add PowerUp button. You might need to authorize Trello to access your Discord account. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Now, let's jump over to Discord. Navigate to the channel where you want to receive Trello notifications. Click the cog icon next to the channel name to edit the channel settings. Then, select Integrations. Choose Webhooks and click the Create Webhook button. Give your webhook a name, like Trello Notifications, and copy the webhook URL provided. This URL is essential for connecting Trello to your Discord channel. Back in Trello, open the Discord PowerUp settings. Paste the webhook URL you just copied from Discord into the designated field. And that's it. Now, whenever there's activity on your Trello board, such as a card being created, moved, or updated, you'll receive a notification directly in your chosen Discord channel. This integration keeps everyone in the loop and streamlines your team's workflow. Enjoy.